In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Pinterest business account. Hi and welcome to this channel. Pinterest is one of the best social media networks that you can use to promote your business, your website, and your affiliate marketing products. Let's get straight into the video. Click on the sign up top right. Welcome to Pinterest. Find the new ideas to try. You can create your Pinterest account using this, but this will give you access to just the personal Pinterest profile. You don't want to use this one. Just scroll down and click on create a free business account. Click on that one. As you can tell, everything has changed. Enter your email address, create a password and your date of birth. Then click on create. I'll do that quick and we'll move on to the next step. Your email address name here, but don't worry, later on I'll show you how to change it. For this will act as your profile name, but I'll show you how to change it as we move on. Describe your business. Select the best description of your business. If more than one option applies, select your primary objective. You are supposed to select just one: online merchant or marketplace, and it gives you the idea of what this subtitle is all about. Examples include Shopify stores, clothing retailers, grocery, hotel chains, etc. In my case, this doesn't apply to me, but if you have a Shopify store, Etsy store, and stuff like that, this is good for you. I'll select other, then I'll click next. Tell us about your business. Get customized recommendation based on your information. When you have her, you see provide a name as you would like it to appear on Pinterest. This will be my profile name. If any of these options apply to you, select it, but I prefer to select other. I can move on, but you can change this later on. Now, tell us about your business name, which is your profile name. Or if you have a brand name, just put it down here. Let's say success page. That's the name I want to use, and the country by default it's gonna pick it up. Now this doesn't change your marketing target or whatsoever. It's just a profile that they need to gather from you, because when you have her, it says select country or region where your company is based. Your response ensures access to features that may only be available in that location. So it's all about the features and stuff like that, but not your marketing target. For your website, I'll highlight, Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl V to paste it. The / you can take it off. If you don't have a website, you can select this, then later on you can add it. It's easy. Don't feel bad if you don't have a website. If you have a social media account, just drop that. For instance, I have a Twitter account, then I'll click on profile, then right here you're gonna just highlight and copy everything. Copy, go back here. I want to do this just so you know that social media account works. Drop it. See, it gave me access to the next button, which means it's good. But let me Ctrl Z to change it. I'll just use my website. Let me close this. Next, a few more details. What are your business goals? Let's check it out. Increase online sales, generate more leads, drive traffic to your website, create content on Pinterest to grow an audience, grow brand awareness, which is good for brand people. If you don't know, just click not sure yet. Let's see, increase sales online. I don't want to select this. Generate more leads. Don't feel bad in selecting any of this, because the Pinterest platform is mainly for link redirection, unlike other social media networks like Facebook and Quora. This is to increase online sales. If you're a salesperson and want to use Pinterest, like real estate agents. Generate more leads. This if you want to direct people to a specific page, let's say opt-in page, a download page, even a temporary website and stuff like that. Drive traffic to your site, which is mainly like your blog website and stuff, and create content on Pinterest to grow your audience, mainly on Pinterest. You are using Pinterest as your main source of business or website to drive your business. Everything is based on Pinterest. Grow your brand awareness. This will be good for celebrities and stuff like that. I will select this. And what's the focus of your brand? Anything you select from here, don't feel bad about it. Just be true to your business. What's the focus of your brand? Let's check it out. How many can we select? Let me have and see. No, let's see. Beauty, fashion, home, travel, food and drink, DIY and craft, health and fitness, education, design and art, events and other. If you can't find anything from here, just select other. Let me see when you select other what will happen? Nothing really happens. Education is more of tutoring, coaching and stuff like that, but I will select other. Interested in running ads on Pinterest? For it says yes, I'm interested in advertising. No, I'm not planning to advertise. I'm not sure yet. If you are new, I'll advise you to select this one, and as usual you can come back later on and change it. Next, where will you like to start? Share ideas, create pins to tell your brand story using images, video, products or links. That's the first one. That means you want to begin right away creating stuff. Grow your audience. That's create an ad to reach more people and use tools to track its performance. That's for advertisers. If your purpose is to create ads, begin with this, but I'll advise you not yet. Showcase your brand. Help people on Pinterest to get to know your brand by adding your pictures, location and other helpful information, which means build your profile. In my opinion, it's good to build your profile first. Let's click on that and click next. On your left, you have edit profile, which is what we are on, account management, profile visibility, turn your home feed and stuff like that. You work on it as you go along, or if you want to claim your account for a website link. Let's work on the profile quick. Add the about. This is really good. I'll say tell the public about yourself. I'm just making it short just so you know what's going on. Add your pronouns, he, him, and all this weird stuff down here. I'll say him, then scroll down. This is the website. Like I said again, your username will be here, your email address. You can add all of these things later on. Then your phone number and all that jazz. Choose your code. I'm in Canada. I'll select +1, then I'll enter my phone number, then I'll proceed. Retail stores. For local businesses, you need to check this. Include a retail location. When you check this, then you have to enter your business address. This is basically online business. I don't need this, just so you know. Then you click save because I just typed this. Later on, I'll come back to work on it. I want to show you something. If you don't want to enter your email addresses, phone number, it's okay because you saw I was able to save it. Don't worry. Now what I will do, I'll click on this profile here, top right. I'm gonna have to take this thing off. The he, him, I don't like the way they have it there. I'll click edit and I'll take it off and save. Then I'll go back to the profile. First, let's add our banner and logo. We'll do that in Canva. Let me close this. We'll go back to Canva. Logo. This is a free graphic design platform. You can create an account for free and just hop on. When you log in, just click on logo, and trust me, there are tons of logos here. You don't need to worry. You see, these are all logos that you can use, or better still, what you can do, you can type logo. I like doing this. A perfect view of everything. These are free logo templates that you can customize. These are all free. I'll grab this. I want something simple and customize this template. What do we have here? Oh, we have a whole bunch of them. Just go through and see if you don't like any of them. Just delete it. For instance, I have to delete before I start, because when you download, it's gonna download everything, which is not good. I'm gonna delete this. Between these two, which one do I like? Let me delete this one and I'll work on this. Double click here, and mine is success page. Double click this P and success. This one is page, something like this. And the background color, let's see if I can change the color. Let's yeah, so you can play with it to come out with what you want. Okay. Yeah, so you can be a little fancy if you want. So if you want to be fancy, just click here, edit, like effect, outline, and maybe I'll keep it this or black. Yeah, I think black is, or dark. No, I'll keep it dark, and I'll go on this one, click outside the box, double click on this, effect, outline, and dark. I'll keep it like this, maybe. Or you know what, because the background is black, let me use black on this. Yeah, and sorry, and effects, I'll keep this black as well, just to be uniform. Moving on, I'm gonna just download it. And SEO, let's see what the whole thing gonna be about. All right, for this is page. Let's keep it like this and download. Make sure it's on PNG. Then I'm gonna go back, edit, change, choose photo. This is it, and open. We got it up there and it automatically saves. You don't have to worry. Then let's click on it to go back. Now we have to work on the banners. Let's go back. I'll close this, close that. For banner, let's go back to Canva. Let's use thumbnail. I know thumbnail will work, and for the sake of time, let me just throw in something, and I'll say success is good, and I'll say don't give up easily. Then keep this in bold and change the color to black. Then effect, I'll keep it white. Then I'll increase at least to 100. Yeah, and you can change the font if you don't like what you have there. Let's say gargling, but like I said, I can change this into whatever I want, or maybe I can just shoot this a bit because it's too big, too large. And I'll add my success page. Download, make sure it's on PNG. Download, make sure it's on PNG, then download. Then I'll go to Pinterest, click on the plus sign, browse. This is it. Open, scroll down, make sure it's good, then click on done. Bam. Something simple like this. One thing we have to change is this. Right here, you're just gonna type in what your business is all about. Edit. Let's say success. I'll say personal development, then your name. In case someone is trying to search for your name on Pinterest, you're gonna pop. Now there's one more thing I need to change, which is the profile name. When you check, even though I've blurred it, because if you can see it, you can figure out my email address. I will change this because it's not what it's supposed to be. Now I've changed it to pinterest.com/success page, and as you can tell, I try to keep everything in a lowercase because it looks nice that way. Then I'll click on save. Like I said, you can all, oh shit, it says username already taken. I'll add the IO here. It sucks when your username is taken. It sucks. I'll keep it like my website name, then save. Bam, that one has saved successfully. When you scroll down, you can tell it's just right here. When I go here, you can tell the username is success page IO. I'll keep it like this. Let's go to search and search for personal. Let's do motivation. Alright, I search for motivation, and these are the pins that are showing. Just read through and see if you like any of them. Create the life you can't wait to wake up to. I like this one pin. I'll save the pin, and you can save the pin and stuff like that. Or let's say quotes. I encourage you to do this, okay? But if you don't want to pin others artwork, but you want to do your own thing, that's good. If you want to claim your website, just go here, go to business manage, close this, click here and click on this. Hover to the top right, click on this, the arrow down, and click on settings, then click on claim account, websites, get attribute, then right here click on claim it. Guess what? It's gonna show, let me show you. You see this symbol? It's gonna display right here. Next is to start creating pins and boards. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.